Hey now, today we have the Blackberry 9000 for AT&T only. It's an oldie but goodie, and it only works on 3G. Okay, in the back you have the obvious spot for the battery and then a standard 3G SIM card, again for AT&T only. On the side we have an SD card slot, a mute button, the macro USB, or some people will call it mini USB port for charging, and also data if you want to hook it up to your computer, and a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack or audio jack. And then on the other side we have the rocker button for the volume, and then also a key you can program. Most people use this for the camera. Okay, then we have the back door, standard back door, and then we have the battery. And like I said, it comes with a charger. It's the mini USB charger, like you would see on old Motorola Razrs and V3Ms. Now, as soon as you put the battery in, as you can see with the red light, it is going to power on. However, it does take quite a while. I'm going to say over a minute, perhaps, maybe even 2 to 3 minutes for it to do a security check. Alright, these probably still retail for, I'm going to say $69, $79, depending where you get them at. We have them for $44.89. It has 1 gigabyte of built-in memory, and again, it only works on 3G. The new display in here has a resolution of 480 by 320, which is twice that of previous models. It comes with a 2 megapixel camera. It has Wi-Fi, GPS for navigation, a full web browser, music player, a micro SD slot, and that'll take up to a 16 gigabyte card, and stereo Bluetooth compatibility. It does have WCDMA modes for international use. You would have to contact your carrier to see overseas what the carriers you would be able to use that on. And again, like I said, it does take quite a while for it to boot up. Okay, and again, with all these older Blackberries, or just Blackberry in general, they come preloaded with lots and lots of options, like you know, normal phones, calendar, and the web browser and such. But if you go deep down into it, you're going to get a lot of enterprise features and such, and it's a great phone to check your emails on, and maybe check your Facebook or Twitter. And then you have the apps from the Blackberry store. So while it's old, it still has a lot of little useful features. It's you know, back in the day they would consider this a power user's phone, but today with Android and iOS with Apple, with their more advanced Play stores, you're going to be able to do a lot more with Android and Apple. So the only thing that you may not be able to use this Now I do believe BlackBerry turned it off as the BlackBerry Hub, which gives you like enterprise chat and such like that. I do believe that's turned off, but you'll still be able to do SMS and MMS messaging and the like. I'm not going to go through all the features. It's too much for just this one video, but just to give you a quick glimpse. Alright, that's it for now, and everyone have a great day.